Hi, Chris here from Truly Holistic. This is for people that are energy practitioners out there who are Reiki practitioners, use hands-on healing modalities. I'm going to talk about some of the energetic tools I have here which will amplify the current practice that you're using. Here at Truly Holistic, I use intent, which is all about energy. All energy practitioners use intent. But I use my intent through a geometry device which amplifies my intent. That could be a crystal for somebody else, or any other form of structured device. Okay, and that's what essentially it's all about. It's just about formation and structure. Geometry has structure to it, so does crystals. Sound therapy, again, is another modality that uses formation of a frequency or vibration. Now, in regards to the tools that can amplify and help your business out, get clearings done a lot faster, so therefore you not have to work on a client so often, is using energy tools. Now, these energy tools here, which are called Divinity rings, are very good because they're at a size that if you're using hands-on, you can place it within your hands. So by placing them there within your hands while you're directing energy into a client, you're accumulating soul or source energies to that area. This is what these tools are all about. Now, they come in a pair. You can buy them by themselves, just one or the other. But the benefit of having both of them is one's platinum coated and one's gold coated. Okay, so and why that's important is because it's the polarity. It's like a battery effect. Okay, so you got a positive and you got a negative, and that accumulates energy and amplifies that energy capability. So what you're doing now when you're giving a healing session to someone with your hands on work, you place it between your hands, and that's just going to amplify your effect of your intent, okay, and exchange of energy into the client and into that session. So these really work very, very well. I do have some other rings which are called sun rings, okay, and I've got one here. It's stored in its packet. Now you'll see it looks like the sun. Okay, it's got little prongs that stick out. Again, it's gold plated as well, and you can place this within your hand as well. And this works as a broadcaster, so it amplifies any intent you make, and again, it's just going to take your skill set to just a higher level, and you're going to get clearings. And energy clearings that are going to work a lot faster and a lot deeper level. This goes many levels or layers deep within the body, that particular tool, and so do these. So they're wonderful little tools, and they're very cost effective, and as long as you don't run them over with your truck or your car, they'll last forever. Okay, again, these are just the energy are not coming out of these. These are just, this is the language of the universe, geometry, okay? And it's just facilitating that energy to come to be amplified by a form of shape or geometry. So another tool that you can use for anyone that is a Reiki practitioner or energy healer is the Ankh. Wonderful tool. I use this a lot with clients, okay? And again, very, very cost effective. All these tools are at my website at trulyholistic.net on my products page. And what this is a key, okay? So this enables flow of energy wherever you intend it to be. So if you're a person that really is focused on working on the chakra system of healing, enabling flow, so opening chakras, because a lot of the times with the chakra system is one of our chakras is closed off. Okay, there are many reasons why that may be the case. By using this opens the chakra up. So if you have a lot of blockage in your heart chakra because of something emotionally or something traumatic happened in that person's life, then you can place this over this person's heart chakra, and that's going to open that heart chakra up to remove all that crust, all that trauma, all that energy that doesn't need to be sitting there, okay? You can place that on all the chakra points: throat chakra, heart chakra, solar plexus, and that's just going to enable flow of energy to go through and enable that stuck energy to be released. So it's another wonderful tool you can make that you can use within your sessions. So anyway, if you're interested in any of these tools, because again, these are just going to amplify what you're doing already, go to my website trulyholistic.net, and as I say, if you have any questions about it, or would like to know a bit more about these products, please comment below, or again, you can contact me through my website. Thank you.